It will be review and testing Leatherman Surge. I had couple models from Leatherman before. I will talk about this difference between them. For example, I had Leatherman Charge TTI. It was about 15% less, more lightweight. But it's really high cost model, and I think anyone can use Wave Plus and get about the same without titanium here and without S30V on main knife, but absolutely the same. Also, I can compare those tool, for example, with Super Tool from Leatherman, but I had that model. It was covered by black, and after some time these parts of this black coloring getting back, and I lost them. So after changing about I have also Ganza, the flagship model. What is that? 302B, for example. I had other Ganza model, but it's not the same level like Leatherman. And I think if you want a really good tool, you should choose or Leatherman or VICTORINOX. What else we have here? That's this SWISSTOOL. What I choose it, at least it's about the same size, the same weight, but it's more interesting by other devices what we have including. Also what I interested here. One hand operation. Main tools I can use by one hand. Here what I interested, it's not one hand operation, it's by two hands, but I have a lot of tools without opening our device. Next one, what also cool here, this one, scissors. I think that's masterpiece of engineering thinking. Next one, what we will compare. Here is absolutely stainless steel. Couple years using, different using, absolutely no pitting. What we have here, you see it's couple months of using, not very hard, but it is. But in other hand, we have this removable parts and those one tool. Let's see how it works on different materials, exactly this tool. What also interesting and unique function of search is we can change those paths. We can use a lot of different from any market. We have those in complete. You can change it for working by metal, for working by other material, wood for example, plastic, and without any problem. When it's dyed, you just remove it and using other the same. They are very cheap and you can get it from anyone build market. So when I will use this one and my those tool will die, that would be sad, so I should be careful for using it. When this one will die, I will just put it in a trash basket and get, for example, this one, put it here and fix it. Maybe not perfect, just see it. You see some lift, but that's cool function. Almost no one multi-tool didn't have it. So just see how it works with different tools, different materials. On the other hand, we have something, for example, this one, custom device. Just scotch here and let's go to use. Let's see. So, for my opinion, my choose Victorinox is better than you want to get one multi-tool for absolutely any solution what you need from this one. Detail working, for something hard working. Also you can use absolutely different bits. And in case of Leatherman, it's terrible. It's terrible. We have in complex those type of 2 bits and only one changing by those. For my opinion, it's not ok, and they made only they often type of bits. They sell it for high price and it's not cool. So in description would be link for my text review with little more photo, little more info about those compare, and also would be link in description where you can buy this one. If you're more interested in that, in my text review would be hyperlink for full review of that model. For example, in near future would be review compare of those two flashlights from Phoenix. I have heard this one made review about half of year ago, but now they are updated it, more powerful, bigger battery, new type, the same magnet here. Review would be soon. So put like, subscribe for my channel, and you will see it Type-C charging here and here. And as I said, if you're interested exactly in tool, link for review would be in description. That's all, bye bye.